Welcome to Some Guy's Garage. Quick video for you today. I picked up some DeWalt screwdrivers for another review that probably will already be out by the time this is posted, but figured I'd share a little bit about these screwdrivers with you. This is the DWHT65203 set, about 30 bucks from Home Depot. I've never used really any DeWalt hand tools. I have a measuring tape and a stud finder randomly, but most of my DeWalt tools are all cordless or corded power tools. So haven't really used their hand tools before and figured I'd just take a quick look at these with you guys just to show you how they are. So let's open these up and have a closer look. Tool companies, you need to stop using this plastic stuff. This is awful packaging. We don't like this. Just as an aside, it's a pain to open. It makes sharp edges. It's plastic, which is wasteful. Like, you could find a better way to package your products, I would think. So this doesn't go just for DeWalt. This goes for any company that makes these terrible clamshell packaging that are a pain to cut. All right, let's open this up then and take out all of the screwdrivers. Little ring, I guess, to hold that inside so it doesn't rattle, but we'll move that off. And we'll take these all out. One thing I should mention, actually, now that I have them out of the package, this is my second set of them. I had to return the first set. They had two of the flatheads and we're missing this, this Phillips one. So if you are buying these, check the packaging just to make sure that it has all the pieces that it says it is. Wasn't a big deal. They just exchanged it for me at the store, but I did have to go back when I noticed that I was missing the smaller Phillips here. So what do we actually have here in sizes? There's a flathead, a number 2 Phillips, shorter but wider flathead, number 2 Robertson, a number 1 Robertson, a number 1 Phillips, a 0 Phillips as well, a slightly smaller flathead, and then you get stubbies in the number 2 Phillips and kind of wider flathead. So pretty decent selection of the most commonly used screwdrivers, especially here in Canada where we get the Robertson. I think they do make this set without the Robertson and you get a few more varieties of, I think, Phillips and flathead in it, but definitely up here in Canada having the Robertson, the square heads, is a nice thing to see. As for fit finish on them, just randomly grabbing them, they're all right, I guess. They do feel like kind of a little cheap. It's just hard plastic here, but the handles do have some rubber on them, rubber on the front and back, and there's different texturing throughout them, but not the nicest handles. I have Wera screwdrivers that are definitely kind of a nicer overall handle feel. Although fit in the hand is pretty good. Just I think the materials could be better. All the softer rubber or something would have been a nicer handle material. Blades, the finishing looks decent enough, and they do have a bit of a coating of some sort on the tips of a few of them. It looks actually like all of them do have a bit of a coating on the tips to help with grip. There are no wrench flats, and they are just round blades, so there's nowhere that you can get an extra wrench for leverage onto them like some other screwdrivers have as well. But overall, it's a pretty basic set in that sense. As for fit, I've got a couple sizes. I got a number 2 Robertson and a number 2 Phillips here, so let's just have a look at the fit. Little snug, but holds it on actually quite tight, so that might be a good thing. Fairly tight, snug fit in that one. And then the Phillips, this is just a drywall screw. Again, fits pretty good actually. So in terms of head size and fit into kind of standard, construction screw and drywall screw, the most typical kinds. Fit is actually pretty good. Let's just try the stubby as well here. Yeah, pretty good fit. Not bad at all. So points for that anyway. And just one other feature, they are magnetic, so they will hold up the screw or pick up the screw. Little annoying that the blades keep attaching to each other. You can see that they won't sit flat, but anyway, not too much else to say about these. They're a standard set of screwdrivers. For the 30-ish bucks, they're not too bad. Certainly not top end, but also not the junk you're gonna get from Harbor Freight or something like that, or Princess Auto Mastercraft up here. So decent enough. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments below. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider it. We check out tools all the time on this channel, so if you're interested in seeing different new tools, that's a great channel to subscribe to. And as always, thanks for watching.